Okay, so welcome back to the channel, guys. We got a basketball video today. Let's get it, you feel me? Hey, we back with this one. So we are in East London, Canary Wharf right now. We're on my sides, obviously Southeast London raised. We're about to check out this court called, I think Bank Street Basketball Court. It was built by the artist and MBE award winner, Yinka, fellow Nigerian, so it's nice to see.
Boy, if you don't do it.
Yo, we need some competition, man. I'm not really even playing. Like, I'm not even breathing right now. Like, it's a weird habit that I'm gonna develop, but the competition is just like. I don't know what game this is, but competition is decent now. It's getting better. I'm starting to play a bit, starting to get warm. It's still cold though. I need to get my arms in shape. I think this is like the 5th game now, but I'm only starting to warm up, but the court is so small, so I have to like, get ready. Like, so we've assembled the Avengers and we are not losing a single match apart from maybe at the end game, you never know. But I think we're on like the 6th or 7th game, I don't know. But damn, this is some good cardio, man, for real. Some good cardio. I don't know about the competition yet, but it's some good cardio right now, so I'll take that. 9 in a row now. That team, I thought that team was actually going to bully us, but I don't know, maybe they haven't played basketball in a while. So.
JP.
Okay, so we are finished at Bank Street basketball court. The camera battery kind of died midway, so like I think we won another 3 more games, but I think it was like 12 games in total that we won in a row, which was insane. Shout out to my teammates that I met that day. Like, listen, literally made the team, and listen, we told ourselves we're not coming off. The court is actually pretty decent. I do like I think the tarmac that they got on it is like a little plastic sheet that they got on it, so it makes your shoes able to like grip onto the ground properly, so there was no slipping or anything like that. The rims are a bit questionable though. Like it's a single rim, but I think it's about 9 feet, if not maybe 8.5 feet, because it seems quite low. Like it was messing with me when I was trying to shoot with it, because it felt like I was shooting down on something instead of like actually shooting up on something. So apart from that, it was pretty good. The competition was it was a bit okay in the beginning, then it got better after as we got tired, then we started slacking and stuff like that. So hopefully it was a good video. It was quite a mosh pit. The weather was terrible. They said 21 degrees, but it was windy as hell. Like, you know, Canary Wharf, the buildings and everything are all crazy and stuff like that. But I would definitely do more videos over there. It's a great group of guys that come down there. Everyone's pretty young, I think, probably about maybe 19, 18. So it's just funny to see how different personalities are, different age groups and stuff like that. So I'll definitely be down there. If you guys liked more of this, then let me know down in the comments. Subscribe and like, man. Let's get it.